So whatever way we are following is the right way. See, and while we speaking, you make mistakes and you take some hesitation, or it comes some gaps between one word to another word. It's very, very common being as a second language learner. I would like to make clear here one thing, and the thing is, the small content name is language speaks. Language speaks. So language is to share something, or to ask something, or to narrate something, or to give something orally. So the language is for those purposes. But being as a aspirants, or being as a language learners, are we following the same trick? Are we following the same way? No, not all the people. Some of the people, they are following, or they are moving on to the right way. See here, and language and non-language. There are two things: language and non-language. So English is a language, Telugu is a language, or we have a different languages. According to Indian Constitution, we have 652 languages. 1652 languages are in India. But and every language is special. They have every language has its own unique style. But here, and when we compare with the non-language means in school studies or in school stage, and we call that a subject. So like mathematics, science, social studies, or economics, history. See, but language and non-language both are not the same. See, and most of the things, language is communication based. As you mentioned here, a conversation mode, it's a communication. Communicate means what? So if you want to communicate, and we need at least two persons want to involve in the communication. So if one asks a question, the opponent want to answer. So then the A question and B answer, this one exchange is called communication. So they want to one exchange. So language is communication based, but the non-language or content is, the non-language or the subject is content based. But here we have a, and we want to improve in English language. So are we really communicating with others? So it's a question to us. Or are we communicating, or are we basing on the content? So most of the people in WhatsApp groups, they always show interest to text something. They always to show interest to give answer whatever they receive by texting. So why they don't answer through by giving voice note? Why they don't show interest to make a small video to respond to the questions? See, and here we want to think ourselves. See, as I mentioned, language is communication based, and subject or non-language is content based. So we always want to stand on communication mode. See, and one more important thing, if we want to communicate, there is only one process to improve, that is participation. We can improve in our communication process by participation. But whereas in non-language means in subject is content based, and there we can improve by practice. Here I think I don't agree 101% practice. Here participation wants to take place in communication based language, not practice. See, and if my teacher gives any problem or any sum, I want to take practice, I want to get the answer, the solution. But here in language, not the practice, the participation is more important. The involvement is more important. So, and these two are important. And here, and one more important thing, the communication based there is one principle, the principle is one on one. So the first one is A, the second one is B. If A asks any question, the B want to answer. So there is the communication. But here, whereas in non-language or the subject or content-based there, and one, we want to practice by our own. But in language, it's not possible to take practice by our own. We want some competence. We want the listener. So without listener, we can't check ourselves, we can't speak, we can't exchange our language, or we can't exchange our dialects or our thoughts or our sharing. So here we want to keep these things in our mind. So do we really practicing, or do we really interacting, or do we really participating? See, whenever the host invites the person, they are not showing interest. Even they turn on their device, they switch on their device, they are just quite silent. See, I'd like to close my this short speech with a wonderful quote. The quote is, quick start is quite start. Quick start. See, we need not to compare with others. Why Nupur Chatterjee ma'am is not answering even though the host is inviting? So then why should I answer? Why should I turn on my video? Why should I answer to the host invitation? If Arundhati ma'am thinks like that, so we can't go ahead. We can't go ahead. So, and whenever we have opportunity, and Suresh Gaur sir also shown one slide. See, we have to create the opportunity. Already you created the opportunity. You have the opportunity. You have such kind of home to interact with the people. So that opportunity, that platform is shared. Then why you are hesitating to jump into that? See, and here, and we want to involve, we want to take part. See here, and for example, if I want to speak about myself, I'm also like you. I'm not superior in any case. I'm just a fourth class employer. I'm working as a teacher. I work as a teacher, and I have a great passion to improve my language. So that passion is making me like this. The passion is making me to grow. The passion is making me to stand in front of you. See, then we want passion, or not just having the passion is not enough. So the passion, we want to execute the passion. See, and most of the people, they are practicing by texting, or otherwise they're just quiet. See, why we don't involve, why we don't participate in the sessions very active?